Alright, so this is what I did to make this new kitchen countertop to replace this old blue nasty concrete thing we have. Whoa. Oh. So this is just standard lumber, 2x10s. I ripped down the sides, squared them up, and now I'm fitting them into place. I didn't want to spend too much money on this thing. I've never made a tabletop before, and I couldn't find anything that will be the final length of 70 by 30 inches. That's all right. That's the rough ends. There's about 2 inches extra on all sides, so I could beat up the edges. To get it all locked together, I pocket screwed each piece after the glue up and added some temporary metal straps too, just for the time being. The main planing, I'm using a level to get those humps out. On the back side, I planed out some of the edges where you'll see it in front of the cabinet, and started with these C-channels. So I routed out a spot for 2 C-channels. These are pieces of steel that will fit nice and snug into the wood and keep it stiff over time. Like so. So after putting the pocket screws back in, after that final sand, I threw a router on the edge, softened those up, sanded it one last time, put it on a conditioner, a stain, and finally a clear coat. Filled in some of the holes on the top and got to some sanding. Palm sander from 100 to 200 to 320 I think I ended up at. With those spots all set, I did a final sand, used some water to pop the grain, re-sanded it again, and then used a natural conditioner to pop the grain up and keep it even, and then threw on the stain. Now I don't know if it's my shop or not, but it just came out too orange. I didn't like it. Even the next day, I'm putting on some steel wool. That didn't really work well either, so I tested out a whitewash and decided that would work best. So now I got it, kind of an aged look to it. Maybe hides the fact that it's $50 of lumber. This is the first coat of polyurethane and the second coat going on now. And I use a Scotch brite pad in between. If you take your palm sander, just rip off whatever pad you have on, kind of sticks. Smooth. This thing is not light. Awkward to carry, but it's replacing something even heavier, as you'll see in a sec. And you'll see a little transition to the counter there, so I need to clean that up, buzz that out, and the fit came pretty tight.